Hey gang, look, it's Apple Store Day, and it's ironic I say that because the Galaxy S24 just got announced yesterday.
Whew, it's a little too cold for me, and I'm recording this on the Z45. This is what I gotta deal with every single day, for every single minute in the city. Now this is lame, because there literally ain't even no Apple stores, not even in Milwaukee, so I gotta go to the Milwaukee suburbs and go over there to get my iPhone. Yes sir, back secure. Now how I get the fuck up out of here. Y'all ever watch one of them iPhone unboxes before? Oh, word, you did? All right, bet. Now you're gonna watch it again. Except this time we gonna act like I'm being original with it, all right? I'm gonna act like one of these aesthetic girls that be doing these unboxings, but I need a bedazzled steering wheel real quick. So, all right, bro, check this out. I just got back from Walmart, and this just some temporary. I want to go and get a Spigen real quick, but I got the on-screen protector, so we gotta do something for now, bro. Look, it is what it is, but I got the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro over here, as you can see. I got it brand new in the box. They didn't even it was quick, man. My first time buying something from the Apple store, it was nothing. I thought it was gonna be a minute, but literally they just checked me in, they hand me my iPhone, they was like, all right, bet, we'll see you later. So, we got this now. Bet. So you can see over here, we got the iPhone 15 Pro with the dynamic island. So this is my first time, because if you look over here, I'm more of a Galaxy user. So I got a Fold 5 over here that I be using, and I'm not switching yet. But I got this damn iPhone 13 over here that pisses the hell out of me. It be glitching, freezing, doing all that, and I got 128 gigs on here. I can't stand this thing, bro. Oh, look, it's my homie over there. But on the right side, we got the iPhone. On the left side, we got iPhone. On the back, we just got some specs over here. We can check that out, too. So as you can see there, it's flipped on my end, so I don't know if it is for y'all, but we got iPhone 15 Pro. And we got the easy pull tab, so I ain't even got to do nothing. I don't need no unboxing knife or nothing like that. So let's go ahead and just grab this green arrow and then just pull that just like this. Hold on, wait for it. There you go. Let's hit the other one. Yeah, I like that. I like that. All right, let's go and get this up out the box. And here we go. I know Apple don't be giving you shit in the box, and none of these companies do, like Samsung, nobody do. I think it's ironic, though, that I literally got this the day after they announced the Galaxy S24, which I'm still getting, but let's go ahead and check this out, man. Woo-wee! Look at that, boy. Look at that iPhone 15 Pro and titanium. Boy, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, as you can see here, we got a brand new iPhone 15 Pro. It's unlocked and everything. I didn't get no carrier version. I just paid full. I literally just put in my debit card and I was like, here, bro, just take this. I'll just take my bread. I don't like financing phones and nothing like that, but let's go ahead and peel this off. Bang, just like that. So yeah, as you can see here, wait, hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'm not even worried about the phone. Check this out. I didn't know Apple be bringing out braided cords now. Damn, Apple. Samsung, if you watching this, which I doubt you is, let us get some love like this, bro. We got a whole braided iPhone cable over here. It's USB Type-C to Type-C, which, yes, that's another new thing about these iPhones now, which I'm glad for because I use Android and all these other accessories. We got USB Type-C in the iPhone. Finally, it's oh my God, come on, Sony. So yeah, if you check that out, we finally got USB Type-C. It took them long enough, but that's thanks to the EU, so appreciate y'all. But I finally got my camera upgrade, because if you look at this on my iPhone 13, you can see that I only got 2 cameras, so I didn't really have the zoom or anything like that. I didn't have the telephoto. All I had was wide and ultra wide for the 13, and now I got wide, ultra wide, then we got telephoto for the 15 Pro. And the dope thing about this is that I'm looking at these, and I think the screen is a little bit bigger on the iPhone 15 Pro, but this is pretty much the size that I want. I don't want no Max. The Max screen is just too big for me for an iPhone. I like an iPhone screen about this size, so I'm cool with this. So all right, damn, they threw me off with that little braided cable thing. Apple, y'all did y'all popped out for real with that, so appreciate y'all. And then we got this over here, so as you can see, designed by Apple in California. Let's check out if we still got some Apple stickers up in here, which, okay, we got 8 Apple stickers, so they don't really give you much no more. I feel like they used to give you more Apple stickers than this, and then everything started to go with these boxes. But all right, look, we gonna turn this on for the first time, bro. This ain't my first time seeing the 15, but this is my first time owning the 15 and really getting the hands-on with this. As you can see there, we got the Apple logo, and we gonna just give this a minute. Oh, never mind. All right, bet. Now, the only thing I've been holding out on because of these new iPhones is that it only got eSIM, and eSIM pisses me off, bro. I can't stand eSIM. The only reason I don't like eSIM is that it ain't nowhere near as convenient to go ahead and switch between phones, especially if you got an Android like me. So I got my Z Fold 5, and you can go ahead and do it through the QR code, but it depends on the carrier, and some carriers charge you a switch. It's a whole ass mess, man. With a physical SIM, all I gotta do is just grab one of those tools, pop it out of the phone, and then just put it in the new phone. But all right, let's go gonna see what this thing look like right there. So we just got the setup screen. So usually I would transfer my stuff from my old iPhone, but seeing all the glitches and shit I had on this thing, I don't want to take that chance. So I'm gonna probably just do this fresh up on here. So we got United States, all right, appearance. I'm gonna go ahead and hit on continue, set up without another device, and then let me go ahead and do my Wi-Fi. And man, we got that 120 hertz, so that's new to me too on the iPhone. I fuck with this, man. This is definitely valid for sure. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. I bet. Data and privacy, continue, set up for myself. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Face ID. So let's go and do this. Hold on, can I do it like this? Let me zoom out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do this. Get started. Okay, position your face. All right, cool. And I've been through this before, so this ain't nothing new to me, but I bet. Was it that simple? Really? All right, bet. So use Face ID without a mask. I don't really care about that. Nobody be wearing masks no more. Like, let's be honest, right? Don't use Face ID with a mask. So I ain't worried. Okay, hold on. We gonna do this again? Okay, no. I guess that's it. Dope. This our dynamic island. I kind of fuck with this too. I just entered my passcode. Now it's going ahead and doing this thing right there. So don't transfer anything. I'm not even gonna do any of that. So now let me go and log into my Apple ID. I ain't going front, man. I kind of fuck with this whole card thing right here. So maybe I should do this again. All right, so now it's making me do my Apple ID verification code. So let's go ahead and hit allow and let me go and enter that in. Signing in. So we got that new screen right there. Let me go ahead and agree. I ain't never seen nothing like this before. So that's dope. I think it's what the new Apple update or something like that. So I bought it from the Apple website. I'm paying the Wisconsin taxes and all that. Now let me go ahead and see how much I paid for this. So if you check this out, it cost me $10.99. So I got it from the Milwaukee suburb store and it actually ran me how much after taxes? It ran me $1,185.82. God, phones be expensive, man, but look, I got into this industry myself, so I can't really complain. Make this your new iPhone, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue, update automatically, sure, go ahead and do that, run that. Set up cellular, so we can go ahead and do that right now, but actually, yeah, let's go and do it right now, fuck it. So let's do transfer from nearby iPhone, and then let's go ahead and see how that works. I don't really know how this works, but oh shit, okay. It just popped up by itself like that on my old iPhone. Now, let me go and see how this works. Verification code. Let me go and throw that in real quick. And all right, cool. Your SIM is not supported, damn it. So I think it got to do with the Mint Mobile app, which is pretty dumb. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So I actually have T-Mobile, like that's my main line in my Z45 right here. I'm not switching that to over here. But I think you got going down with the Mint Mobile app and then switch it from there, which I think they charge you like a certain amount of money like after so many times a year. That's why they don't support it through iPhone. It's so dumb, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on add this card later, add this card later. I got so many like Apple cards up on here. It's literally asking me for basically every single card that I've ever set up in Apple Wallet, man. I'm just skipping through all this right now. All right, cool. So adding my Ventura card, so that's Chicago. Whenever I'm in Chicago, which is a little distance away, I'll go ahead and hop on a train sometimes and I'll just use a Ventura card up on here. And then we got the action button. So I forgot about this. This is new to me, but if you actually look at this on the side, we have a physical button that's opposed to a regular physical switch like we had in the older iPhones. So this is the first time I really get to really use that for real. So now I'm gonna go and do an emergency SOS. Welcome to iPhone, boy. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. So I didn't set up cellular or nothing like that. It's just so dumb to me that they don't got the physical SIM, man. But look at this thing. It's always on Cupertino, the first thing I pulled up. And now, there you go. Wait for it. Come on, Kenosha. Pull up for me. Come on. Damn. This ain't taking its time, man. The Wi-Fi literally right next door, bro. All right, man. I'm not even gonna worry about that right now. But this is my brand new iPhone 15 Pro 256 gig. Oh, wait. There we go. Weather, location. There you go. Now I got my location, Kenosha. And I'm gonna let y'all know how I'm feeling about this. So there's always a possibility I could return it, but at the same time, I don't really feel like I need to return it. I don't have that plan in my head right now because I'm just tired of this shit. But I'm gonna go ahead and install my little ghetto Walmart screen protector and then we'll go and try this out. But I'm gonna go and get a speaker and something like that off of Amazon after I'm done with this. I just need something for my phone right now, so I ain't really trying to risk scratching it or nothing. And I actually got hella iPhone accessories, so I told them that I might get an iPhone 15 Pro. This is literally just like out of nowhere. It was just 5 in the morning and I just got my iPhone 13 and I was just tired of it, so it was an impulse buy. But the crazy thing is, I woke up this morning and I was like, oh shit, that actually just buy a whole iPhone 15 Pro? What the fuck was I thinking? And then I ended up just driving to the Apple store anyway, so here he is, man, brand new iPhone. I got that regret from like the next morning, like I was over here drinking or something. I wasn't doing shit. That was just impulse. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this. I know I'm late, man, but you know what? It is what it is, man. It's better late than never. But it's starting to get cold up in this motherfucker because it's like 15 degrees outside and I turned off the heat for y'all. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for coming through. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Eccentric on Instagram and X and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And I gotta go and check out my accessories because I know I got like some spec cases and all that. So I just want to see what I got and what I'm about to go ahead and get into. Like I said, I'm not finna switch or nothing like that, but I just need a new iPhone, and I be doing DoorDash and stuff like that, so I need something to actually get me going. Cause like I said, I'm tired of this thing. I ain't traded in and all like that. I think I'm gonna just keep it or probably sell it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know for damn sure I wasn't for to give it to Apple because it just didn't have enough trading credit for me. So I was like, all right, bet. But y'all be smooth, man. Stay dangerous. I'm gonna go and get up with y'all later. Peace out.